Okay, bismillah, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So, as always, I would like to give you a tutorial of CISCO or CCNA. So, in this video, there is 3 points that I want to show. The first is SSH, or we can say SSA, that is a shell. And then the second is about telnet. And then the last point that is about VLAN or virtual. So, let's get to know more about this. Thank you. Okay, so now we're gonna config about the SSH or shell. So for the first step, you have to open the application of Cisco Packet Tracing. If you don't have this application, you can download it at Network Academy website. Okay, after you enter or open the application, you can search the router with serial number 1841 and can edit. And then you can add the device that is PC. In the next step, you have to make a cable connection to connect the router with the PC. Or you just with the automatical connection type. Okay, so this is the first step. Okay, so this is the third step for the SSH or server shop. So for the first step, as always, you have to go or get into the configuration mode and configuration mode, and then you can type IP domain name, and then the name is up to you, whatever you want. I'm gonna type idn.id like this. You can click enter, and then you can type crypto key generate as a this with the port or the bit 1024, and then you can type 0 and 4. Then you can tap transport and put message or setter. Okay, so for the next configuration is we can configure the router. So you can go to the CLI node, and then you can configure. The first step, you can change your host name. So I'm gonna use my name in this router. After that, you can type interface 0/0 that connect the router with the PC like this. And then you can type no SH or no shutdown. And after that, you can add the IP address. I'm gonna use 1.1 in here with the prefix 24. Okay, so this is the second step. To so the next step that we have to do is add the IP address at the PC. So you can go to the PC and then click the desktop mode, and then you can search the IP configuration, and then you can add it with the same network with the router. So in here, I'm gonna type with 1.10 with the subnet mask, same as the router. And then the default gateway is with the IP address of the router that we made before, 1.1 like this. So it's done. And then you can go to the telnet or SSH line. You can type the IP address of the router, the username of the name like this. Then you can click connect. So without the password before. So the next step is we're gonna configure the router to how to open the telnet. So for the first step, you can type. Oh wait, first you have to get into the node configuration. Then you can type your name, then the name that you want. I'm gonna use Cisco. And then the secret for the password is Cisco2, that is up to you. And then you can type again Mr. Name. In this time, I'm going to use again the privilege 15. And then the secret is ID and 2. Okay, so for the next is you can type line line 0 and 4. Okay, so this is the second point that I want to give you the tutorial. Same as before, you have to add the one router and one PC with the cable too. And then you go to the CLI again to configure the router. Enter again to the performance mode and configuration mode. Then you can change your hosting name, whatever you want. Then you can type interface 0/0 and then message or not shutdown. And you can add the IP address that you will want. So I'm gonna type it on again with the prefix 24. Okay. So after that you can type given oh, like this, and then you can exit from the config line mode. And for the next, you have to get into the PC and then add the IP config IP address at IP configuration. I'm gonna use the same network with the router 1.10. Then the subnet mask 2 as same as the router, and then add the IP address of the router. Then after that, we go to the telnet or SSH mode. We move to the telnet with the IP address of the router that we made before. Then we can reconnect with the username CISCO before and then the password CISCO. So we have to verification first. So for the username that we made before is CISCO and then the password is CISCO too. Then you can do everything you want in here. So I'm gonna show you about the VLAN tutorial. So for the first step, you have to add the switch with the serial number 29 and 60. Then you can add it, and then you can add the PC. So I'm going to add 4 PC here, and then after you add the 4 PC in here, you have to connect it with the cable. So I'm gonna use the automatic cable. That's up to you. That is your that is your your switch. So this is the first step. So this is the topology for the VLAN. So this is the VLAN 10 or net the first network for the network engineer. This is for the example. So this is VLAN 20 for the software engineer. So VLAN is same as router, but it's kind of different. So this is for changing the router for the same network. So you can talking each other from the switch, not from the. So for the next is you can exit from the VLAN configuration, and then you can enter to the interface configuration. You can type enter space like this for make it quick. 1 until 2. So you have type the range the one VLAN like this, and then you can type switch mode access like this, and then you can type again switch access VLAN 10. Okay, so this is for the PC. So for the next ASF to add the IP address of the pieces, so I'm gonna add the, so You have to add the IP address at the PC queue, so you can go to IP configuration. So in the first PC, I want to use the 1.10 with the subnet mask 24, and then for the next PC or the second PC at the VLAN 10, you can edit too. So I'm gonna use 1.11 in here with the subnet mask 24 too. Okay, so this is for the VLAN 10 PC. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the IP address at the VLAN 20 PC. This is for the first PC that I'm gonna use is 2.10 with the subnet mask is 24.2. And then this is for the second PC in the VLAN 20. Go to the IP configuration. I'm gonna use 20. I'm gonna use 2.11 with the subnet mask 24. Okay, okay, so we are gonna test the connection about the VLAN. So for the first, we're gonna test the VLAN 10 network. So you can add simple video at here like the mail sign. Then you can click it, and then you can click the first PC to the second PC in VLAN 10. Okay, if you see in down here, you can see the last status is successful. That is you have success the communication. And then this is for the 120, same as before. You can add the video again, then successful again. So that is for the VLAN testing. It is successful. Okay, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you can be a network engineer uh, master, and I hope this tutorial it will be useful for you. And thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoy it, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.